For this problem, my first suggestion is to fill in this point and then draw its derivative, and then at the end just remove the value of the derivative at this point because it's not continuous, therefore it's not differentiable. So as I said, I'm gonna fill that in for now. Okay, just imagine this curve as a continuous curve, and then let's draw the derivative. The first step is to begin with the horizontal tangent line because it has slope 0. That's why I mark 0 here. Similarly, the tangent line at that point is also 0. So after that, when I look at this branch, the tangent line, just mentally imagine some tangent line here. Tangent line is positive, right? Therefore, it's gonna be above the x-axis because it's positive. The closer the point is getting to 1, approaching 1, the tangent is getting flatter. Therefore, it's approaching 0. So therefore, this is what I have for the first part. Now, for the second portion here, let me make it flat, horizontal. I'm gonna take another sample point here. You do see the slope of tangent line is negative, so therefore it should be below, right? And then the closer to 1, the flatter the slope of tangent line, the flatter the tangent line is. Therefore, the trend should look like this. The closer to 1, the closer to the horizontal tangent. Therefore, the value should be close to 0. And then at this point, it's undefined because it's a sharp corner. Therefore, this is the tangent line for my first one. Okay, time to take a look at this point now. We fill the point. Actually, it should not be defined, right? So I'm gonna erase. I'm gonna erase this point, and at the same time, I'm gonna make a circle for my derivative. In other words, at that point, the derivative is not defined, so I'm gonna erase that. Okay, so this is my derivative. This is my derivative. For the other branch, you just repeat the same idea this time. At that point, it's undefined, but otherwise, it's just like that. Okay, so here this point will be solid fill. If it's filled with it's not empty because the derivative here is defined. So this is it.